Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to share YouTube video to Facebook group. Here my objective is that as soon as I'm going to upload a new video on my YouTube channel, automatically that same video should be shared as a message to my Facebook groups. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between YouTube and Facebook groups, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now here we have YouTube in our trigger and Facebook groups in our action. So we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically share our YouTube video on Facebook group. So here my objective is that as soon as I'm going to upload a new video on my YouTube channel, automatically that same video should be shared on my YouTube group so that I could increase the views as well as the popularity of my video. Now, in order to automate this entire process, we are simply going to set up a connection between YouTube and Facebook group, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of this amazing software Pabbly Connect. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, we can connect multiple applications to automate our task without any coding or programming skills. Okay, this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by typing this URL pabbly.com/connect. After coming here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user like me, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here on the dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created. And we can also create folders here to save the workflows. As you can find, I have two folders here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating multiple folders, you can save your workflows accordingly. Now, to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. So let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. So here I have given the name. Now we will select the folder in which we want to save the workflow. So I'm going to select this test integrations folder, and now let's click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us, trigger and action. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Now let's suppose we are going to take YouTube in our trigger and Facebook groups in our action. And we want that as soon as a new YouTube video will be uploaded on our channel, automatically that same video should be shared on our Facebook group too. Okay, now here our action is the response towards our trigger, because when the trigger happens, that means when the video is uploaded on YouTube, then only it is shared on our Facebook group, otherwise not. Now, after understanding this concept, let's start creating the workflow step by step. So first of all, we will select our trigger application, and that is YouTube. So let's select it. Now we have to select the trigger event. Now the trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger. So here we need to select new video in channel with video URL. So as soon as a new video will be uploaded in our channel, the URL of that video along with other details will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, let's click on connect. And here from the given options, I'm going to select add new connection to build a new connection with my YouTube account. Let's connect with YouTube. And now we have to select the account on which we have our YouTube channel. So I'm going to select my account over here. And now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Google account. It is 100% safe. So let's click on allow. And our authorization has become successful. Now it is asking us channel ID, on which channel we want to upload the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will simply turn this mapping button on, and here we need to enter the channel ID. So for that, I'm going to take you towards my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube account, and here we will go towards channel, and this is the channel ID. We can find that it is given here. We will simply copy that. And I will go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we need to paste the same ID. So I will just delete the existing ID from here, and I will paste the channel ID which we have copied. Okay, so this is my channel ID, and now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. So when we are going to click on this button, we will receive the response of the last added video, last uploaded video on our YouTube channel, because YouTube is based on 10 minutes polling time. Okay, so whenever a new video will be uploaded on our YouTube channel, automatically after 10 minutes, the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. For capturing the test response, let's click on the save and send test request button. And here is the response. Okay, so the title of the video is Big Waves Rushing to the Shore of Malibu, Nature and Its Beauty. I'm going to take you once again towards my YouTube channel. And this is the last video which I have uploaded recently. Okay, Big Waves Rushing to the Shore of Malibu. Okay, let's go back. And now because we have received this response, that means our connection between YouTube and Pabbly Connect is successful. So now whenever we are going to upload a new video on our channel, automatically after 10 minutes, the same response will be captured here. In the response, we have received the video URL, video title, as well as the video descriptions along with some other details. Now my objective is to share the same video on my Facebook group. So as soon as I will upload a new video on my YouTube channel, that same video should be shared automatically on my Facebook group also. So for that, I'm going to connect Facebook group with Pabbly Connect. Let's move towards our action step, and in our action application, here we are going to select Facebook group. Now we will select the action event, that will be post message. Okay, let's click on connect, and here from the given options I'm going to select add new connection, and we'll click on this connect with Facebook groups. So because I was already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization has become successful very easily. Now we will move further. Here it is asking us 3 details: group, message, and the link. Okay, first of all, let's start with the group. On which group you want to share the YouTube video? Here I want to share the YouTube video on this testing group. So the same group is selected over here. So on whichever group you want to share the video, you can select the same from the drop down. The next is the message. What message you want to post along with this video? So I'm going to write the message as, hey, check out my new YouTube video. Okay, the next is the link URL of the video. So here we have already received the link URL of the video from our earlier response. We will simply map that. So mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given, and here are all the details which we have received. We want to map the video URL which is given over here. Let's select it, and it is mapped. Now when we have mapped this URL, it has become dynamic, and now it is going to change with each and every response. So whenever we are going to upload a new video on our YouTube channel, automatically this link is going to be replaced with a new link of that new video. But in case if we will enter it manually, then it will become static, and then it is not going to change with each and every response. Then the workflow will get stuck. So as I have entered this message manually, hey, check out my YouTube video, so it has become static now, and now it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, wherever in the workflow we want, the data should get changed automatically. There we map the data by using previous step. And when we want the data should remain same with each and every response, there we type it manually, and that is called as static mapping. Okay, so let's click on save and send test request button. And here we have received the response. In the response, we have received the ID. That means that the video is shared on our Facebook group in the form of a message. So let's go and check on our Facebook group. Let me refresh the page. And yes, here is the video. Big waves rushing to the shore in Malibu. And this is the caption, hey, check out my new YouTube video. This means that our workflow is perfectly successful, and now whenever a new video will be uploaded on our YouTube channel, automatically after 10 minutes, the video will be shared on our Facebook group. Okay, so we will go back towards Pabbly Connect, and we will summarize what we have done here in the workflow. We have taken just 2 simple steps: trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken YouTube, and in action, we have taken Facebook groups. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new video will be uploaded on our YouTube channel, automatically that same video will be shared on our Facebook group. In the same manner, by following the same steps, you can very easily create this automation, and this will enable you to automatically make your videos popular without any manual efforts and get more views. This was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.